This is the second ride of the day. I pulled a rookie move, didn't charge my battery, and had to charge it on break. So yeah, there's that.
What we do here is go back.
Those guys move.
I feel like we're going that fast.
Oh, we're not. Good news is that I didn't miss anything that was super exciting this morning. Other than same old, same old. Which if you're expecting more than that, come to the wrong place. There's only so much variety you can get riding out here at Croom every week. But let's see, maybe we can create some fun stuff. Hey, Jay! They're going out the back door. The line of hooligans. Hooligan lineup. Uh-oh, signage. All right, not saying anything. Uh-oh, somebody's zipping by. Coming to my left too. I'm just getting flanked. These guys are getting froggy. Froggy. I wonder what year that was. 1995, maybe? Bringing it back. Bringing back the froggy. Whoa, look at that! Love it! You knuckleheads! They couldn't resist the jump, and they jumped one into the other.
Get that?
Yeah.
I thought I was going to crush my nuts.
Oh, almost again! Look at this! Oh! Like a fly to honey. Oh, slippage. Oh, I did the same thing. Oh, down that log. Oh, Mark's picking it up. I don't know which way to go. Reeling them in, baby. I can't see, it's dusty. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm losing them already. Slippery pine straw. Ah, that was a pretty good little pace. Getting the heart rate up. Get the conditioning going. Oh, there he goes again. Adiosi. Ah, it is definitely dusty. The dustiest it's been here in a while. We've been getting a lot of rain, so taking advantage of that. All right, the chase is on. Tree slappage. Ah, I missed it.
This fucking slippery over here.
I know.
Oh, do you see all this shit?
Yeah. I overshot it, baby. Taking my face off. We came through here.
Check it out.
Dude, this side's slick as hell.
It's
Huh?
not sweating, dude. Look at this.
These leaves and pine cones.
My front end
I'm
looks like
I'm sliding all
pushing all over.
over
I
the
just
place.
opened the rear hooks up to keep me going the way
Dude,
I want.
I'm terrified to go fast through these trees like this.
I'm loosening up my hands.
We're not
All right.
looking- we're, you know, at a
Back to the truck.
Kickstart Kenny, go ahead.
Kickstart Kenny.
You're starting all over.
Did I what?
Your electric starter ain't working?
It is.
I haven't sorted it out yet.
Running a bicycle, but
Oh! Marky Mark doing the donkey punch over the jumpy jump. Another donkey punch. Ah, I thought we were going to take a nice tempo back. So much for the easy pace. It's trying to lose us through the terrain. That bitch goes through all the low hangers. That's his drop technique. He's like, I'm gonna drop these bitches. Oh, right across the face. See? Look at this bitch. You don't even have to duck.